With Remesh and Bake Decals in RapidPipeline, you can generate simple, clip mesh and bake surface details like decals into textures. This t-shirt model includes several print designs as well as a lot of nodes for the seams applied as individual geometry. Optimizing the shirt first and manually baking the decals is possible, but takes time. That's where RapidPipeline steps in. Inside RapidPipeline for 3ds Max, you'll find several actions. For this case, we'll use Remesh and Bake Decals. You can tweak settings like texture baking resolution or the face target for the remeshing. In this case, we'll stick with the defaults and hit Run. The t-shirt has now been remeshed and all the decals, including prints and seams, have been baked into textures, making the model single-layered and improving its performance. The input had 32 nodes and the result only has 1, but still keeps all details baked in textures. Also, the original model was almost 700,000 faces and the output is just 8,000. This is well below our original 50,000 target. This is because the target acts as a ceiling, not a fixed goal. Now, our model is ready for real-time use. Optimize your models fast, flexibly, and effortlessly with RapidPipeline for 3ds Max. Try it for free or chat with our human team right on the website.